Bismillah Rahman Rahim. I'm trying June 16. Okay, 11 variant question number 8. And what a question we have here. This question we have to read carefully. There's a question of curve passes through this point and this point. It means these 2 points are they lie on a curve. He mentioned clearly passes through. Number one criteria, at which the point CD on the curve. It means CD also lie on the curve, and the tangent is parallel to AB. So I repeat again, at each of the point CD, the tangent to curve is parallel to AB. I'll just make a rough idea. Inshallah, I believe you will understand. I will find first the coordinates of CD. The rest part I'll do later. And rest part what? Find equation of perpendicular bisector of CD. So first task is how to get the coordinates of C and D. Then inshallah could do a further part. So just rough idea I make it. I just make it a rough idea. This curve equation can be any way. So imagine this is C and this is D. Okay, I make the two tangents. Inshallah, I believe you will understand. Okay, wait a minute. Let me make a one tangent. Yes, this is okay. Then I make a second tangent. Yes, you can feel that they are parallel to each other. They are parallel to each other. Right. This is C coordinate. This is D coordinate, which is my target. And in the middle of the page, middle of the diagram, there is a one. You can say that I make another line. This is a, this we have, I can say here, this is A coordinates and this is B coordinates. And you can sense that all three are parallel to each other. I repeat, there are two tangents. AB is not tangent according to question. Tangent at C and tangent at D. Both tangents are parallel to line AB. So what is a method to do this question? First, my target is get C and D. And we know that when two lines are parallel to each other, say they have one thing common. What is that common? Gradient is common. So I'm going to start, first of all, gradient of the line AB. So A coordinate is, according to question mentioned, 1 and -1. And B coordinates given 4, 11. So 4, 11. So what is gradient of AB line? AB line gradient is very clear. So 11 minus -1 over 4 minus 1. So I'm getting this 12 by 3 and I'm getting 4 gradient. Let me check again. 11 minus plus 1, I got 12, correct. And 4 minus 1, I got a 3. So ultimately gradient of the AB become 4. And it means that gradient of the AB line is parallel to the gradient of the curve at C. So it means, first of all, because C lies on the curve, it means I can't find until unless if I differentiate. I simplified the equation, I'm going to differentiate. Dy over dx, 3x becomes 3 and negative comes down, negative and negative plus, decrease the power by 1. This is derivative, I got it. And as you know that, the derivative is also called gradient. So gradient of the curve at C is equal to gradient of at B. So this 4 I can use in the place of dy over dx because we know that they are equals to each other. 3 goes on the other end, I got a 1. Cross multiply, I got this. Take a root. Here students do mistake, they write only take 2 only. No, when I take a root, it give you plus and minus 2. So I got 2 answers and I need to find y coordinates as well for the both. So it means when x is 2 and when x is -2, I plug in this 2 in our equation. And when I plug in the equation of the curve, so 3 times 2 minus 4 divided by 2. I got y value 4. And second coordinate, when I keep -2 in the question, so 3 times 2, -2, and -4 by -2, I get -4. So it means C coordinate, I'm getting 2, 4, and D coordinate, I'm getting -2 and -4. All right. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, at least C and D points we have it. And now you know what the plan he is asking that, for example, we have these 2 points, here C, here D, and he asking find equation of perpendicular bisector. So first of all, I find midpoint, and this line as my target. A line passes through midpoint and make a 90-degree. So this line is my question. So let's see how to find it. First, I'll find the midpoint of CD, and then I find the gradient of CD and take a negative reciprocal. So I can get a gradient of this line, and then I can complete my question, as you know, how to find equation of the line with the two coordinate, one coordinate and 1 point and one gradient. So let's start. C point mentioned, D point mentioned. Actually, I will make it so mess up. This is a line, but okay, and this is a line perpendicular to it. So this is my task. So first of all, I will find what the midpoint. So midpoint of CD. So when I talk about midpoint of CD, midpoint. So it is very clear. This is and this. So x1 plus x2 divided by 2. And similarly, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. I got 0 and I got 0. So it means the mid coordinate is 0, 0. It means origin. It turns to be region. Okay. All right. Now I'm finding the gradient of the CD. I'm finding it here. So gradient of CD line. CD is it's very clear. We can use this and this point. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And I am getting this very clear 4 plus 4, 8 divided by 4, becoming 2 gradient. But I need not to I need not CD gradient. I need perpendicular bisector. So take a negative reciprocal. P for perpendicular, -half. Change the sign and flip it. So now use this and use this point equation of line. And all of you know familiar, whenever we need equation of perpendicular bisector, I need, what is technique? Y minus y1 equal to m times 2x minus x1. Although I can write direct, but some students don't know. So this 0 I kept here. This -half kept here. And x1 I keep from here. I get from here. So, I got answer y is equals to -half x. This is equation of perpendicular bisector. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Question is completely over.